Hi everyone, it's Alan with Earthglow. Welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to be making our Winter Wonderland 2023 candles. And these are made with Soy Bliss, and this is how I get it into my melter. Just stand on a chair here, and I just put them in slab by slab. The first candle that I'm making here is Cocoa Butter Cashmere. I sell it as Cashmere Sweater. And then this next one is a combination of Cypress and Bayberry with Frasier Fir by Candle Science. And this is a new blend that I've done this year. I absolutely love it. It smells like a bougie upscale Christmas tree. And I call that one my fresh cut Christmas tree. And these tins are going to be the 8-ounce tins. And I'm wicking them with a CDN 8. I was going to say 6, but it's an 8. And then each of these pitchers I will fill with 50 ounces of wax, and then I'll put 5 ounces of fragrance in each pitcher for 10%. And I stir this wax for about a minute, and then I pour it into these piston funnels. And these I got on Amazon. I will have them linked in the description box, as well as my Amazon storefront. They're an absolute lifesaver if you are dealing with tight spaces, or if you struggle with spilling like I do sometimes. But we're gonna be pouring these candles right from the piston funnels. And I've been enjoying setting up my wicks beforehand with the sustainers, the wick sustainers. And then I just pour in both of my fragrances here at the same time, and I just get 2 pitchers going at once. It just kind of helps me to make my process a little bit more efficient. This cashmere sweater scent is so popular, you guys. A lot of different companies have it, but like I said, I do get mine from the flaming candle. I'll keep a paper towel with me when I'm using the piston funnels, actually like all the time, because they can drip just a little bit, I have found. And always before you use it, make sure that your piston is not like stuck in the bottom of the funnel, because sometimes even if you clean them really well, that can happen and then they can get the wax all over the place. But then I come in the next day and get my labels going. So I'll link my video on how I design my labels above for you all. And after I put in my crystals, I do go ahead and use a creme brulee torch to just kind of make it look a little bit nicer and more finished, because when you press the crystals into the wax, it can just look a little bit, you know, rough in terms of the edges. And this just gives that seamless look. Here are the rest of my labels. Oh my goodness. This quality you can only get from an inkjet printer, I'm telling you guys. And I am topping these candles with some fresh ground mica just to give it our signature finish. And this is the final product. I'm going to show you guys at the very end what these look like with the labels on the tops. Oh my goodness. Pumpkin Spice Buttercream is also a new scent this year that uses Candle Science's toasted pumpkin spice. Dulce de leche. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so passionate about holiday candles. Fall and winter are so special to me and nostalgic. My mom always used to burn her Yankee candles around the holidays especially. But oh my gosh, this is the final product. These candles should still be available on our website at earthglow.com, so you guys can check them out. And I'm just going to show you all kind of what a random sample looks like. I do try to color coordinate the crystals with the particular colors on the candle. Mistletoe Kiss uses Candle Science's mistletoe fragrance. This is my absolute favorite. And Frosted Juniper with Blue Lace Agate and Preonite and Epidote. Fresh Cut Christmas Tree. I will have my custom blend for you all in the description box. And then the Snickerdoodle, I blend the flaming candle as well as Candle Science's Snickerdoodles just to bring that kind of spice in with the Candle Science one. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so fun. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I'm sending all of you peace, love, and light. And I'm wishing all of you happy holidays and happy winter candle making.